Stop.
Light it up, represent, gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again. Light it up, represent, had to do it hella big, had to run it back again. Gotta do it hella big, had to run it back again.
Stop.
I get a feeling there's gonna be a riot.
I don't read the newspapers because they all have ugly prints.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you